commiserating with the family. This is a shame to a whole gender minister.
Right, Busia for Jamisha Bibia, within the Nogo artists. Aha, I got Asem TV. Best say over subscribing to the channel. Now, feel free and a kawaji or conversation. Jamisha Bibia. Busia for the gender minister is in very big trouble. The gender minister is in a very big trouble. Obi on him, a gender minister. The Agnes Lati Momo. Or ye on no MP for Krowa Nungwa. She's the MP for Nungwa. Ebusia for Ghana for see the timu di papa. Omu who oba the timu de say the gender minister Agnes Lati Momo because oti krom ha se oti Accra haya Nungwa haya. Yes oti haya o. Ukola bako 17 etumi nya kwensha wu krom ha se 6 July mami we ni ministry babo ntia be kashia jere ukola bako 17 omu awofo anase Ghana fo na endwa ena mami we 8 August endwa pe because nkofo kasa o internet no sa nti endwa pe na odi letter ababo nti na busia for yengo share videos Ghana for blast mami we na embra na yebeka chiremu de wo letter no na nyamishira bibia
ewo musa yeguso a yesu de but yesu ni nyina no ewo se yetumi boa na yede to yempanyifo no mu biti mu se sebe dibra wodro yede ama wo mu no ewo se de bi omomo ni kwa adwuma na yede ahye omo sa ne ho no mu ye ene me ko Ministry of Gender as obatan et say gender minister Agnes na momo late ute Ghana hanum say ten kran ha ti krom ha ama nkoda 16 obogu daso in the Ashanti region enkoda 16 enam lori akwansia so ama motim na nanama wansia do afei ena Ministry of Gender 8 August modekata aba montene so commiserating with the family. This is a shame to a whole gender minister. Gender minister ye US ho enkoda bambo ho sem da wabemu emma bambo ho sem da wabemu abosuo bambo ho sem da wabemu na kwansiesi over a week na feina a whole ministry say gender ministry modekata aba montene so to sympathize with the affected family. This is a shame. Sawunyo oba ena ka woda gender ministry na no a aka mespel enkoda 16 enkoda no omukọ your friend say sorry was Savior Church eko youth camp o man samba bedru fie na lori akwanhia ma ye lucy sankoda baku 16 edunsia ewo gender ministry atena sia public ne start say wo mo bomachi no afen a whole gender ministry etumi de press release about montene so hey gender minister na sabi imprediasa ye ni timani abada ye krenti sa it would have even been better saying kakrata no kwa wonfa makra na ne na ka manfo ka no ka ye
Asem no critical. Asem no, I get critical. Me see, this is the same gender minister. Time now, nka ye koye ni inauguration no the wire late and say na koye. This same person, what are you people expecting from her? Obia, and that ye be inaugurating no kra ye be man is her post no as gender minister no kra no or ye late and say na to be call. Omu we program no, people have to come and beg. People have to come and beg. So what are you expecting from this woman? All right, but yeah, you're gonna continue the ama forced to worker.
Yemia, yenni position say wo Ghana de ye de asem to yen a yenye nipa
because enkola 16 etimiwu in one road accident. A national disaster. It's a disaster of crazy proportions. Say a whole ministry dedicated to Nkola. And the money is serious, no. Say any ministry dedicated to Nkola and Yes. A whole ministry dedicated to children.
Na watchi wani afedia wote say lupre aboho no obi e kasabia na na wasa akotwro krata wasa atwro ya we suggest to take a moment the moment na we take ye enti ye besre no maame na fe nu waba oba ye menyi ni se be bo so memiensa kra wadi.
Because you see the need to be there. This is about children. This is about social protection. This is about gender we are talking about. Why you late on your day of induction as a minister? Honorable na momo na nkora 16 ewu na be part ayira ma yesi o musa after now the communicate about unua mu anwu anka be communicate you pushing this and down right now ke be wan so make fi onu na compensate family no later we find day eh me wan to na me phone be crying to me ready let's story right now
Therefore, someone who video na monim say NDC communicator be say we nyina ye dede yes or see we nyina na ye no dede enti nkola na omo ewu no obi ansuma omo or see obi ansuma omo banko nkofo na omo plane crash na ye suma omo enti the gender minister there she can talk say plane ehwiase a obetuma kasa bankola baako 17 16 ewu there. This guy say, oh, muye jai de no, until obian sumo, and kaya sumo moi. Anka, it is fair, say, we can call the government to say, but all they are on their own, yo muniama, abusavo, yenko see the ono, or kai, na yaba.
But sebi you, and crana were more to omo quine. Meboa. They went on the journey, the travel on their own. So you cannot even equate these things. You cannot try to equate it. Me suma me ba oja ho na ja kwahye no a kafra na me ka kire no. Na man suma no no koja no ho na ja na hye no a me ka kire say me ka kire say me suma ho. Is that not the question that you're going to ask? So what is Okete Jeffrey for saying? What is he trying to do? What is he trying to achieve? Is he the only sensible person in this country? What kind of stupidity is this? And it's like, okay, Obian Kashin Chirano, and he has been doing this for far too long. What Jimmy to do? Excuse my language.
This is how heartless some people are, especially the NDC. This how heartless they can be. Nti the essence nkola obi mete say ebi mukra de omutikra na omutikra ni ho omu omuti nipa ba ku bakra wo mu wa wo tu nyina ewu tu no sa nkola mienu nyina ewuko nkola wa hwe omu from wa wo omu wa hwe omu sa bedu baby no omu nyina omu tu no ebra wa bra omu ho nyina omu wuko no akola we guy we ka kire say yansuma omu nti aso no omu kono omu they are going on their own. It is a bibi kosia they don't the gender minister and I said the government have no a right and I said only responsibility be I say or the yakobema ebusuafo no. It is sad. It's sad. Ebusuafo yebesasha na be shero bibia.